is a beacon of hope for students and their families by providing nutritious food.
That's kind of what I wrote this song about. The song is
Mary invested in shots.
push them, conflict.
El tema lo pasado en si ese tiempo pudiera
I get that. I've seen a lot of those, and they...
Hay armonía.
Post. Attention. Think about it. We swipe and scroll past stuff all day, but when we're driving, cooking, working out, we're also listening. That's the magic of audio at iHeart. We're in your next customer's ears while they're living life and listening, just like you are right now. So get your customers to listen up today using radio, digital, and podcasts. Call 844-AD-HELP-5. That's 844-AD-HELP-5.
San Diego store.
Here are the things I like about this radio. This radio is incredibly compact and lightweight. The reception is quite impressive for its size, ensuring you get clear and crisp audio. The built-in speaker provides clear audio, and there's also a headphone jack if you prefer a more private listening experience. One thing I dislike about this radio is that the earphone jack is located just below the volume dial. This makes it inconvenient to adjust the volume whenever an earphone is attached. Also, there is no provision for attaching a wrist strap. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe, like, and share. See you in the next video.